Today I'm making a miniverse bubble tea. You can see what it looks like here. I have my Melody and Karomi to help in the back. Thought they matched pretty well. So here we go. I have this super cute cup. This boba that looks like her. This ice. It's also shaped like her. And this cute juice. I also have this tray. It's from a different set, but I'm going to use it here. And the spoon I'm also going to use. Thanks for the follow. I actually think it'll look better if I put it on that after. Okay, and I'm gonna see how it makes it in here. It's ice. Oh wait, no, not ice. Obviously, these go on the bottom. Makes sense. Let me get my scissors. I feel bad cutting this stuff. It's so cute. Let's look at what they look like. Tiny little Hello Kitty heads. Thanks for the likes. So I'm gonna put those in a cup. Thanks for sharing my live. Appreciate that. Okay. And now I'm gonna put the ice in. The world's cutest little tab. Thanks for the likes. The Hello Kitty ice. It's so cute. Somewhere there's like, oh, there she is with the little penguin. And I want to show what the ice looks like. How cute. It's got her little head. My God, I can't grab it. Is that enough? No. I'm gonna put more. I guess I don't really need this. Now we have the juice. Thanks for the follows. Look how cute she is. Oh, this is so slow. So I guess this is lemon or something. Oh my God. Why is it so slow? Oh, I got the pancakes and the ramen. Nice. I really want the ramen, and I didn't get that one. This is gonna take a while to get to the bottom. Yeah, this one, the ice cubes are very cute. I kind of want another one just for more ice cubes. And you said the powder from the ramen went everywhere? Okay. Thank you for the heads up. The powder for something else kind of got everywhere too. I don't remember which one. Um, Maybe the cappuccino. It was either the cappuccino or the strawberry milk. So now I'm just waiting for this to get to the bottom, which may take a little while. But I don't want any bubbles when I cure it. just trying to get these bubbles out. At least most of them. Okay. That'll have to do. Because I'm getting bored. I'm gonna show this tray again. Look how cute. Okay, now for the best part. How cute. Drink it. I wish I could. We have a straw. Beautiful light pink color. Matches Kuromi back there. Pretty well. Look at that. Also, is that still Kuromi? Just with a different hat on? Does anyone know? Because I'm pretty sure Hello Kitty has a sister or something that has like... She looks exactly the same, but just has a bow on. A different color bow. Curing it. I think the straw is a fine length. Could be a little shorter, but I'm fine with it. And also, I think if I do it like this, the bubbles will go to the top. Maybe. I heard. Thanks for sharing, my love. Thanks for the follow. Look at those. You can see the little Hello Kitty heads. Kind of. You have to know what they are, but... It's so cute. Yeah, the Hello Kitty ones just came out. Very excited. I think I got the cake, but I didn't open it yet. And I might open it. No, not yet. This is pretty damn cute. I forgot it has this too. How cute. my god, this is so cute. Where did I get this? Target. Walmart has them, and I think Amazon does too. Let's give her this drink instead. Cute. Actually, I think it'll be cuter if they're together. Because they were best friends. Okay. Thanks for watching.